So I am packing up to travel to see a nail client today, and I wanted to bring you with me. First on my list to bring is our acetone. And then of course what goes with that is going to be our foils, because I know we're going to have to remove some product today. Then we've got our cotton rounds. That's to go in with my foils. Our wooden cuticle pusher, our e-file, and of course our bits. And you'll definitely want a fresh bit. Put that in there. We've got our little swab just in case we need to clean anything up. And then I have got my tiny tweezers and my file, which is a fine one today because this particular client likes kind of more natural nails. I am going to go ahead and bring my dehydrator and my primer, and of course my protein bond. She's going to want to go with one of two products, I know. She's either going to want to do our fiberglass manicure, which is a gel mani, and we're going to do, of course, the natural look. If she doesn't want to do that, she's going to want to go with a lacquer, of course, very natural. So I keep it real simple. Just bring what I know she's going to want to go one or the other. Then we've got our lamp in case we need that. Along with that, you'll just want to bring as a backup your little bitty flashlight for curing. Then we've got, like I said, my oil. I didn't say that one, but I did say my protein bond, so I've got that on here. You'll want to bring a nice, easily portable lotion, nice smelling, maybe no fragrance, a soft towel. This mat that I'm showing you here, I got from Walmart. It's actually a table setting. It's really nice. It's reversible. Bring plenty of towels. Now this is my alcohol. I just put it in a portable spray bottle to make it easier. Some things that might be on my list that I didn't bring for this client is art brushes, art material, and cuticle remover. Now if you enjoy this content, you might think about subscribing up. Otherwise, if you'll hit that like button for me on your way out, I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you soon.